Hey everybody, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Bitcoin? Bitcoin looks to be close to a pretty clean breakout here. Looking at Bitcoin via Coinbase, and we can see it's been in some long-term consolidation since March. Bitcoin has basically gone sideways and chopped around for almost 100 days, 94 days or so since this breakout here above 68,000 in March. And yeah, it's had some highs, it's had some lows, but ultimately has just kind of ground around that $70,000 level. And that's where we're at right now. We're holding in and around 70,000, which I actually think is pretty bullish for Bitcoin. The fact that it's able to hold up around this level, hold up near the highs, tells me that there's at least a bid under Bitcoin keeping this market afloat. Now, I think a lot of that bid is coming from some of the Bitcoin ETF flows. We just found out today that the iShares Bitcoin Trust has become the fastest ETF ever to accumulate over $20 billion in assets. And so I definitely think that if the flows keep coming into Bitcoin, we're going to see a breakout here in BTC really soon, and you're going to want to pay attention to some of the Bitcoin stocks like the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. And so I have an alert level here on IBIT just under that $41 level. That seems like a pretty interesting resistance zone. You can see how it was a congestion zone for price here, resistance here, support here, broke down, and now we're just underneath that level. So I think that $41 level on IBIT could be a potential breakout zone. And if we are able to get above and stay above with a move through that level coming on volume, then I think you're going to want to take a look at Bitcoin and see if it is also challenging the all-time highs. And so I think just looking on Bitcoin, probably want to have an alert just under 72,000. 71,900 I think definitely makes sense. You can see how important that zone is there. Set an alert there. Set an alert on IBIT. And look for a breakout here in Bitcoin. Now, if you want to know about all the other cryptos and all the other ways that you can get exposure to this space, I definitely recommend taking a trial of our other service, Crypto Market Mentor. I've been doing Crypto Market Mentor since September, and we have some members that are sitting on well over 500% gains in some of their trades, including myself with the trade on Solana, which is pretty awesome. We have weekly strategy sessions, crypto tutorials, lots of webinars, and great information if you want to get details on how to make money in the digital asset arena. So definitely check that out. And in the meantime, watch for a breakout here on Bitcoin. I think that $72,000 level is pretty important, and that could translate into a big move through $41 here on IBIT. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.